Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt uneasy about your rear view mirror display, worried that you're missing details behind your car or driving in the dark without proper coverage, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best rear view mirror cameras, and by the end you'll know exactly which one fits your car, your driving style, and your budget. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on each of these cameras. After watching, leave a comment and tell me which one you're leaning toward and why. Let's get started from number 5 and work our way up to number 1. This Veement model offers a 10 4K mirror dash cam with 1080p backup camera, with the front camera capturing 4K resolution and the rear camera recording at 1080p, combining that with features like voice control, a 10-DEO HD IPS touchscreen, 24-hour parking mode, and f1.8 large aperture for strong night vision performance. What makes the Veement stand out is its large mirror-mounted display that doubles as a 10 screen and its dual camera setup, front and rear, for increased awareness behind and ahead. It's ideal for drivers who want a full upgrade over a simple backup camera and want to record their journey in high resolution. The only downside is the larger size may obscure the view slightly or require careful installation to maintain original mirror functionality, but for the price and features, it's absolutely worth it. This AUTO-VOX V5 Pro features a 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen mirror dashcam, dual 1080p front and rear video capture, a wide-angle rear view around 150-degree anti-glare full laminated screen, and built-in GPS and parking monitoring via Fusebox installation. What makes the V5 Pro special is its OEM look. It replaces your existing mirror, giving a clean integration rather than adding a bulky extra device. It's best for drivers who want a subtle high-tech upgrade without drastically altering the look of their mirror. The shortcoming is that it does not offer 4K resolution in both channels, just 1080p, so if ultra-high definition is your goal you might need something else, but given the clean look and functionality, it's still a very solid choice. The WOLFBOX G840s boasts a 12-inch wide mirror dash cam with front and rear cameras recording in up to 2160p 4K for front and 1080p for rear, an OEM-style mirror with dual-lens display, upgraded night vision via 6-layer glass lens, and Type-C power input for reliability. What really makes this unit stand out is the massive screen size and the high-resolution front camera. It's nearly like mounting a small tablet as your mirror, offering extensive visibility and recording detail. It's ideal for tech-savvy drivers, long commuters, or anyone wanting maximum coverage. One downside, the large size might be overwhelming or require more space and attention to mirror positioning. But if you're okay with size, it's absolutely worth it for clarity and field of view. The Pelsee P12 Pro includes a 12-watt mirror dashcam with 4K, 2160p, front and 1080p rear cameras, 5.8 GHz, Wi-Fi connectivity, advanced driver assistance features, ADAS, and blind spot detection, BSD, voice control, GPS tracking, night vision and parking monitor, and even a 32GB memory card included. What makes the P12 Pro truly special is the built-in safety tech. Features like ADAS and BSD go beyond recording and assist in active driving scenarios, making it suitable for drivers who prioritize safety and modern tech. The small caveat is that with all these features, installation and setup may be more complex than a basic mirror camera, but for the tech-forward driver and safety-focused user, it's absolutely worth it. Actually, correction, for number 1 I intended the WOLFBOX G840s as the top pick, so for clarity we'll treat the number 1 as the WOLFBOX G840s described above, unless you want a different top spot. Going with the WOLFBOX G840s as the top pick, with its 12-inch wide screen, 4K front resolution, seamless dual-lens display, upgraded night vision, and Type-C power input, it earns the number 1 thanks to its combination of clarity, size, and recording capability. It outperforms others when it comes to overall coverage and detail, particularly for drivers who want the most from their mirror camera setup. The only minor drawback is size and cost relative to simpler units, but given its performance, it's absolutely worth it. To wrap things up, if you're just replacing your mirror and want something subtle, the AUTO-VOX V5 Pro offers great value. If you want high resolution and big screen real estate, the WOLFBOX G840S, or G930 depending on availability, is your top choice. For tech features and advanced safety assists, the Pelsee P12 Pro is a smart pick. The Veement offers a strong middle ground with 4K front and dual camera recording at a competitive price. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this review helpful. Hit that button so you don't miss more gadget reviews like this. Also make sure to visit the links in the description to check the latest deals for each of these rear-view mirror cameras. And please leave a comment below, letting me know which mirror camera you'll go with and why. I'd love to hear your thoughts and what matters most for your driving style. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.